Okay, so let's write the electron configuration for something that's lower on the periodic table. Let's go for maybe, let's do bromine right here because that's on the fourth one. All right, I've got my periodic table. I've got it marked up. I've labeled my S, the first two columns. I've labeled the D, the transitional metals, and I've labeled P's, and I've labeled the rows 1, 2, 3, 4 through 7. The D, I've labeled the fourth row is number 3. The fifth row is number 4. The sixth row is number 5. That's going to be important. Okay, so let's do the electron configuration of bromine. We're going to start up at the top, 1s, and there are two boxes, so it's 1s2. That takes care of the first row. Let's look at the second row. We've got 2s, and there are two boxes, so there are 2 electrons, and 2p, and there's 6 boxes here. So that takes care of the first row and the second row. Let's look at the third row. The third row is 3s, and there are two boxes, so there are 2 electrons. And we go across, now we have 3p, and there's 6 of them, 6 boxes, so 3p6. Then we get down to the fourth row. We've got 4s, 2 boxes, and then we get something strange because now we've got a 3d. And there are 10 boxes here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we put a superscript of 10. And we're doing bromine. Bromine is right here. So this is 4p. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 electrons. So that's the electron configuration for bromine. Now, that's a lot to write out, and chemists are known to be lazy. So if we go back to argon, we can say that all of this is the same as argon. We'll write argon and put a little box around it, and then all we have to write is argon 4s2 3d10 4p5. Makes it a little easier, a little shorter.